Right.
Something.
You ready, Pickle?
You need condensation.
Yeah. He wants that.
You
He wants the
just ate a
beepus.
hair.
He wants the beepus.
Would you like to pick a pickle?
Would you care to pick a pickle? Pickle. What you saying?
No.
Oh, there we go. It's pickle time.
I'm gonna actually.
Are you gonna pick the pickles? Oh, you had to make sure you had a... No.
Okay. He wants me to pick pickles.
Yeah, he wants you to put in a little frickin' work every now and then.
Okay, that's fair. That's fine.
And he wants to beat up the pickle jar. Hey, what? No. Is that the pickle?
Here.
How about if we just sprawl them out for you? Which one?
Pickle. Any pickle. That was rude. Pickle. Any pickle.
Any pickle. Would you care for a pickle? No, you need to hold him. You need to do it right.
Hang on, I'm removing jewelry before you try to rip it off of me.
Pickle.
Yes. It is not at all the same as the original cartoon.
They never are. Pickle. You ready? Pick a pickle.
That one.
That one.
Okay. Well, gotta take it out.
Would you care to pick another one?
Could you pick another one, please?
Pickle.
That one. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh. He wants to kill the pickle jar so bad. That's the one.
Honor your feeling. Don't bite me. Honor your feelings and allow yourself the grace to rest and recharge. No, he says no.
There's no such thing as resting and recharging.
He's
for
mad
this
at
boy.
this pickle. This is not the right pickle.
Yeah.
This is not the right pickle for pickle.
Mm-hmm.